What's up, guys? Joe Holland here. You're going to see us catch this amazing giant pike with the electronics. We're out here jigging crappie, we're jigging perch, we're jigging white perch, yellow perch, anything that bites, and all of a sudden my screen went blank, and then this whale of a submarine moved in. And you're going to watch how Brady and I teamed up to catch this thing, and Brady handlined him, played tug of war, and got this giant fish on top of the ice. We're gonna weigh him up and get him back down the hole. Another one's coming. Yep. I got the other one to bite. Crappie. Yep. Well, the other one was like giving up on it. So I started really bouncing it hard, and all of a sudden another one showed up for it. I still see the other one. I'm gonna go get him. Got him. Oh, it might be a whitey. Dumping. Nope, big yellow. Big old yellow perch. Oh, I got the school of yellows. I got the school of yellows. There they go. I gotta race him down. They're fired up over here. Okay. Here he is. Got him. Little guy. Crappie. This one's cute. Down, boy, down. Oh, there's still another one there. Decent one down there. Oh, he's coming up for it. I didn't even get down. Two. This should not take long. Yep, it didn't take long. This is some serious video game fishing right now. Yellow, big fat yellow. God. Look at how fat that yellow is. The other one's still trying to eat, but these little guys keep beating them to it. Get down there. Send it back down into the kitchen. Alright, here he comes. Good one here, get Brady. I think it's a nice crappie. He's all over it. 3, 2, 1, contact. Yellow. And my screen's empty. I just want to know what this is. You got that trap still on? You still got that rattle trap? I got something huge over here. Dude, this has got to be a big pike. Gigantic fish. Oh, 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 here it comes. Come on, baby, eat it. Golly, this thing's huge. Friggin' huge. I got him off the bottom finally, but he's not on me. He's like friggin' 6 inches below me. Oh, 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 he's coming up. Looks like he's gonna eat. Dang it. is a friggin' sturgeon. I've never seen a fish this big on my screen. Oh, the big boy's interested now. Here he comes to take a look at the new lure. Yep, I have no idea what this is, but it is friggin' big. And he's coming up again. I'm gonna make him work. He didn't like that. Oh, it was a pike. Hey. I mean, just cut it right off. That was a big pike. Dude, I want to know how big that pike was. About that. He's not there right now, but I didn't get a hook into him. It just went like scissors.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Why isn't that showing?
Well, I got it zoomed in, so you got to get it to at least 10 foot.
Oh, you got it zoomed in at 10 foot. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I see now.
Oh, he's there. He's there. Or something's there. I don't know if that's him.
It's getting bigger.
Dude, I hope that's him. I hope you went. Yeah, that's him.
Take mine if it snags it.
Get my lure back.
Oh, come on, dude.
Is he on it?
Come on.
Something just happened. Yeah, I can't tell if he's still there. He finally hit me when I got to the bottom. I got him to come up here. Oh, something's back.
Yeah, there's a fish
Yeah,
mixed in with that.
He was showing
Oh,
up.
dude.
Is he on?
He just grabbed it. Dude, he just freaking smoked that.
He's
I felt that.
still there. You got enough slack? Oh
Yeah.
yeah, look at him, look at him. Get my lure back. Did you just drop it?
Yeah.
Good. That's how he ate. I finally just dropped it as he was going down, and it just went snap. This might be a mega.
That's what I'm thinking.
Is that you or the bait? Is that you?
I'm coming off a little bit more. No, he's right under it.
Okay, he's with it.
Oh my god.
Is he on? You better. You gotta.
He just freaking smoked it.
You gotta let him eat.
I'm not. He's just not taking. He's bumping it. That's all he's doing.
It's a sturgeon.
He's just gonna scream it out of my hand. Dude, he just grabbed it. Oh my god.
Is he on?
No. Why is that going?
That's your line.
He just smoked it again.
He must have bumped it hard enough to move your line.
Yeah.
That's exactly what happened.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna get your. Oh, you got your reel ready? Okay.
Yeah, I got it ready so we can.
He's still on you.
He won't come higher than that. Oh no, maybe he is this time.
I've got him up.
Oh
Almost.
my god.
That's feed
He
time.
just freaking cranked it again. And I actually felt him start to smoke everything.
Hit
Probably
that,
just wrap
hit
it.
that minus button on the top. Hotter. See, look at the size of that fish. This is like a 20-pounder. Okay, keep him coming, keep him coming. He's coming up. He's coming up. Make him work. There you go. See how he jumped?
Yeah.
He just hit, didn't he?
No.
What? Golly, it looked like he hit. Golly, it looked like he whacked it. Oh, he's gonna eat. This fish is catchable. Got him?
Dude, that's a... Oh my god. No, 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 he's still on.
Let him run if you have to.
Transduce out of the way.
Let him run if you have to. It's a giant. That is a mega. Drag him out.
Oh my god. New personal
Oh,
best.
the Lowrance did it.
Oh, I don't know.
It's gonna be close.
Look at that, dude. We have that all on video.
I know. That's a giant. Look how big he is across. So he goes just over 36. 37, almost 37 inches. Well, how big around is it? Or she?
Frickin' 7.5. 8 inches.
8 inches across. So probably over 20 around. Let's get a weight on it. 15 pounds, 15 ounces. We got a mega fish right there.
This fish eats that fish.
That's what we're trying to catch right here. This was target species today. But Brady and I have been on the pike patrol all year and just railing on these big fish.
Jigged her up with a dead fall fish.
Hand jigged her, tug of war.
Did you find your jig in it?
I haven't looked yet deep enough. Nope, she must have just spit it. It must have just caught it on her. What a beautiful fish.
Look at that in that 10-inch hole.
It takes up almost the entire hole. You lifted a hair, you can see. Right about, oh yeah, look at that. That's a 10-inch hole, folks.
That's why I crappie fish in a 10-inch hole.
Yep, you never know.
Come on, there
Looks
you go.
pretty well ready, yeah.
There you go.
Oh yeah, he was ready. Without those electronics, we'd probably still be sitting here trying to catch that fish.
No, we'd still be sitting here wondering why the crappie ain't biting.
They disappeared.
And I've always said, when the crappie aren't biting, there's a big pike around, and that showed it right there.
Exactly. By far, the coolest fish catch I've seen all year. Guys, if you like stuff like this, hit that subscribe button. Throw a like on there, leave a comment for Brady, and we're going to get back on the pike patrol. Even though we're crappie fishing, we're still on the pike patrol, and we're going to catch some more giants for you. Thanks for tuning in.